This recovery plate is designed to repair the neurological toll of demanding decision-making. Wild salmon provides concentrated EPA and DHA omega-3s that reduce inflammation accumulated during mental stress while supporting neural membrane flexibility. Roasted vegetables contribute fiber and polyphenols that protect brain cells from oxidative damage. A final squeeze of fresh lemon adds vitamin C, essential for neurotransmitter synthesis and immune function during high-output periods. The entire meal comes together with minimal effort, but delivers maximum cognitive restoration. For this recovery-focused dinner, press the button in the article to have fresh salmon and vegetables delivered.